Work can be dangerous. Every job has risks, but safety shouldn't come at the cost of getting work done. That's where HSE Management comes in. HSE stands for Health, Safety, and Environment. HSE Management is about protecting people and making sure work happens well. It's not just about following rules, it's about building a culture where everyone cares about safety. When people feel safe, they work better. This isn't just the right thing to do, it's good for business. Accidents cost money, time, and hurt morale. A good HSE program saves on all three. In the rest of this essay, we'll explore HSE in more detail. We'll look at what it is, why it matters, and how to make it work in any workplace. HSE Management is more than just a set of rules. It's a system, a way of thinking about work. It starts by identifying potential hazards, anything that could cause harm. Once hazards are identified, we find ways to control them. This might mean using safer equipment, changing work procedures, or providing training. But HSE is not just about preventing accidents, it's also about promoting health and well-being. This includes things like ergonomics, making sure workspaces are designed to prevent injuries, and stress management. A good HSE program takes a holistic approach, looking at all the factors that can impact people's well-being at work. A strong HSE management system has key parts that work together. Policy. This is the company's commitment to HSE, written down for everyone to see. It outlines goals and responsibilities. Organization. Everyone has a role in HSE, from top managers to frontline workers. Responsibilities must be clear. Planning and implementation. Identifying hazards, assessing risks, and putting controls in place. This needs constant review. Monitoring and evaluation. Regularly checking if controls are working, if incidents are happening, and if the system needs improvement. These parts are like links in a chain. If one link is weak, the whole system is weaker. Everyone needs to understand their role and work together. The benefits of a strong HSE program are clear. The most obvious is a reduction in accidents, injuries, and illnesses. This means less suffering for workers and lower costs for businesses. But the benefits go beyond just preventing the bad stuff. When people feel safe and healthy at work, they are more productive. They are also more likely to be engaged and committed to their work. A positive safety culture improves morale and reduces stress, leading to better communication and teamwork. In short, HSE is not just about avoiding negatives, it's about creating a positive and productive work environment. Section 5. Doing HSE right: practical steps. Making HSE work requires more than just good intentions. Here are some practical steps. Risk assessments. Regularly identify hazards and assess risks in each work area. Involve workers in this process as they know the job best. Safety training. Provide regular, ongoing training to all employees on safe work practices, specific hazards, and emergency procedures. Incident reporting and investigation. Encourage a culture where all incidents, even near misses, are reported. Investigate incidents to find root causes and prevent recurrence. Communication. Keep HSE top of mind through regular communication, toolbox talks, safety meetings, and visible reminders. Continuous improvement. Regularly review the HSE program to identify areas for improvement and adapt to changing conditions. Section 6. When HSE gets hard. Implementing HSE is not always easy. There are common challenges. Resistance to change. People may be resistant to new procedures or equipment, especially if they've been working a certain way for a long time. Lack of resources. Smaller companies may struggle to dedicate sufficient time, personnel, or financial resources to HSE. Conflicting priorities. Production demands can sometimes overshadow safety concerns, leading to shortcuts being taken. Overcoming these challenges requires a commitment from everyone, from the top down. It requires clear communication, consistent enforcement, and a willingness to invest in safety. Section 7. Leaders must lead. Leadership plays a crucial role in HSE. When managers prioritize safety, it sets the tone for the entire organization. Leaders must be role models, follow safety procedures themselves, demonstrating their commitment to safety. Provide resources. Allocate sufficient budget, staffing, and time for HSE initiatives. Empower employees. Encourage workers to report hazards, suggest improvements, and participate in safety activities. Recognize and reward. Acknowledge and reward safe behaviors and contributions to HSE. Hold people accountable. Ensure that safety rules are enforced consistently and that unsafe behaviors are addressed. Section 8, the future is now, HSE and technology. Technology is rapidly changing the HSE landscape. New tools and technologies are emerging that can help organizations manage HSE more effectively. Wearable sensors can monitor worker fatigue, location, and exposure to hazards, providing real-time alerts. Data analytics can identify trends and patterns in incident data, helping to predict and prevent future incidents. Virtual reality and augmented reality can be used for immersive safety training, simulating real-life hazardous situations. These technologies offer exciting possibilities for improving HSE, but it's important to remember that technology is just a tool. It's how we use it that truly matters. Section 9. Safety first, always. HSE management is not just the responsibility of a safety manager or a department, it's everyone's responsibility. We all have a role to play in creating a safe and healthy workplace. By working together, we can prevent accidents, protect our health, and ensure that everyone goes home safely at the end of the day. Remember, safety is not just a priority, it's a value. Let's make it personal. Let's look out for each other. Let's make safety a core part of our workplace culture.